60-year-old taxi operator reported missing. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 60-year-old Paul Escoffrey, a taxi operator of Herrick Avenue, Kingston 20, has been missing since Friday, November 24th. Reports from the Duane Park Police are that at around 2 p.m., Escoffrey was last seen at home wearing a burgundy shirt, black sweatpants, and a pair of black shoes. He has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Paul Escoffrey is being asked to contact the Duane Park Police at 876-933-4280, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.